Good morning friends. Today we will see a list in the Python. In order to view the concept of list, we can take a variable name is list and then assign a value to the list in the form of string like ab x, then list atom separated by the comma, then y comma, and then another element is z. In order to display the list content, we use print and variable list. Now let us try to display the content of list with the help of print function. Here we can see it will display the list element in the form of x, y, z. In order to display the particular index value, we use list of 0 and try to execute this code. It will display the value x because list is always start with 0 index, then 1. It will display value y, and then index 2 it will display the value z. It is possible to add the numerical value in the above list also. In order to display the value 3, we use the index at 3 and try to run this code. The result will be 3. In this way we display the content of list with the help of print function, and list is the collection of different element which contains string, character and integer value too. Hope you can understand the concept. Thank you very much.